question is, what do I use to adhere the crystal stone charm chains and any other elements on the nails? They say it's going to be your bestie. Would never betray you. It's always back you up every single time. The crystal will stay until you decide to take it off or your client's going to come in for the next appointment. So I'm go ahead and using the condensed glue gel first. This is the standard, which is also thick. And we are going to apply the condensed glue gel first. Okay. This nail is so adorable. For you and asking me with the want to do this one second, but let's do the first one first. And then you know me, I love the Diamond Dust Pixie, so I'm gonna get the Diamond Dust Pixie. I can't wait for you to see like you are having the, which one should I do, pink or white? White. Which one should I do? You can do both, but I'm gonna pick the white one because it's really cool and see-through. And then now if you want to get some crystal on, you can definitely do some crystal on first, and then you are going to add the Diamond Dust Pixie after. So let me see, this one I need another tray because there's so many elements in here. All right, can you see me? Okay, maybe next one I'm should doing a 3D crystal as well. Let me see this one. I also like that one too. I'm so excited. So many. I'm going to add just a few of them on. You can add more as you prefer. Oh my god, this one a cute one. Continue to add a couple more. And then now if you're happy with this, we're going to sprinkle some of the Diamond Dust Pixie. You can add more if you prefer. And what we need to do is just make sure you have the tray to hold underneath of the clients. If you are doing your nails, you are going to hold it right here or right here. Make sure always the tray is underneath, so then it's catching all the excess Diamond Dust Pixie. If you're doing your clients, you're gonna holding it underneath of the nails will be is the tray, and then get closer to the nails and sprinkle it. Really gently tap and taper it in on both sides to make sure they are stay really nice and compact. We're happy with this. We're going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Okay. Okay. In the meantime, we are going to move to the next design. And whatever left, I am going to pose it back in so then I can using your next nails. And it doesn't do anything on my Diamond Dust Pixie. Okay, that moving to the next one. Again, I'm go ahead and using